Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to season a mud water pot. First, ensure your new pot is completely clean. Gently wash it with plain water, avoiding any soap or harsh detergents that could absorb into the porous clay. Rinse it well and let it air dry completely before moving to the next crucial step. This initial cleaning removes any dust or debris from manufacturing. After cleaning, submerge your mud pot entirely in a basin of room temperature water. Let it soak for a minimum of 24 hours or even up to 48 hours to allow the clay to fully absorb moisture. This prevents cracking during heating. Once soaked, remove the pot and let it air dry completely for 1 to 2 days until no moisture remains. Now, apply a very thin, even layer of cooking oil, like sesame or mustard oil, to the entire interior surface of your dry pot. Place the pot on a stovetop over very low heat for about 30 minutes. Allow it to cool completely. Repeat this oiling and heating process 3 to 4 times, letting the pot cool between each application to build up the seasoning. For ongoing maintenance, apply a thin layer of oil after each use, especially if you've washed it. Always clean your seasoned pot with warm water and a soft brush, avoiding soap to preserve the non-stick layer. This consistent care ensures your mud pot remains well-seasoned and durable for many years of cooking. Remember to check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.